Okay, today we are going to study the next unit. Already 2 units is over, and your exam timetables are given, and you have to study both the units. That is first one, first lesson, and the second unit, teamwork, flying together, and then get ready for your exam. And your exam should be written according to the dates. Clear to you, all of you? All should write properly. It is for 50 marks. All should study and write all the answers and get good marks. Now we are going to study the next unit. That is unit 3. So 2 units over. Now we are going to study the next unit 3. That is my shadow. Sorry. What do you call? What is shadow? Yes, when there is light and when we move or when we play or when we show our hand or leg or whatever, that image can be seen, isn't it? That image can be seen, but not in a rainy day. Can we see anything in the rainy day? No, we are not able to see anything in a rainy day or a cloudy day. We are not able to see. But when it is very bright, when the sun is very bright and if we are walking on the road, we can see our image, we can see our shadow. Sometimes we are inside our room and the light is on, we can see our shadow. When we show our hand like this, we can see the shadow of our image of our hand on the wall, isn't it? Or on the floor or on the light, everything, anywhere we can see. So that is called the shadow. It is always with us. Understood? It is always with us. The whole body can be seen over there, and that is called the shadow. But in the moonlight also, that at night we can see the shadow. But if there is no light, we are not able to see our shadow. Sometimes shadow will be in front of us, sometimes it will be along with us, sometimes it will be at our back or our side. So shadows can be at any side way, isn't it? And it will be the same like us. Now we will see what the poet is saying in the poem My Shadow. Listen carefully to the poem. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the more use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, but I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. So what is the poet saying here? What is the poet? The poet is Robert Louis Stevenson. So what he is saying? I have a little shadow. That means everybody, every one of us is having our own shadow. And our shadow is along with us only. My shadow will not come to you or your shadow will not come to me. What do you mean by shadow? Needle. Yes. It will not come to anybody. It is always with us. എല്ലാവരുടെ നിഴലും നമ്മുടെ നിഴലും നമ്മുടെ കൂടെയാണ്. അത് ആർക്കും മാറിപ്പോവാൻ ഒക്കത്തില്ല, അല്ലയോ? So the shadow is always with you and it is always going in and out with me. That means if I go out, what is along with me? My shadow is always with me, coming outside or going inside. So the shadow is always with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. So I can see what I can see. I can see my shadow moving along with me. I can see the shadow moving along with me. So when I am running, what is also running? My shadow also running. When I am walking, the shadow is walking. When I am touching the board, the shadow is also doing. So it is always with me. I can see what? My shadow. Understood? See, I am raising my hand. It is over here. I can see my shadow, my hand, isn't it? Then he is very, very like me from the heels up to the head. Heels up to the head. Heels up to the head. That means from my head till my going down to my heels up to. That means the whole body. My whole body can be seen. That means shadow is not only half, it is fully. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. So one thing you also should notice, at night when you go to the bed, in the presence of light, you should see you or your shadow is jumping first. Who is jumping first? Yes, your shadow is jumping first. Shadow is jumping first. That means, suppose when you bend like this way, our movement comes first, isn't it? Then it will be in the bed, then only we are on the bed. So the point is saying that always he is with me whenever I go in or out, and he is same like me from head to the heels, and the only thing what he is doing is he goes first in the bed than me. Understood? I will read it once more. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Understood now? That means whenever I go in or out, he is always with me, and he is same from my heels up to the head, and when I jump into the bed, he jumps first. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an Indian rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. So, which is the funniest thing? Growing. Isn't it? Funniest thing is growing. Funniest means more pretty. Isn't it? More wonderful, more fun about him is the growing. So, in growing, he is not like a home. Children. He is not like a children. That means children grows very slowly. Children grow very slowly, but shadow grows faster. That means if this is a shadow, then sometimes it goes up like a Indian rubber ball. Ball means when we bounce the ball, when we throw the ball here, it goes very high, isn't it? How much strength it takes. നമ്മൾ ball ഇങ്ങനെ എറിയുമ്പോൾ അത് എത്രമാത്രം പൊങ്ങി പോകുന്നു എന്ന്. So that is like an Indian rubber ball. Sometimes he is very small. Understood? So the changes is there. If we are here, sometimes it is bigger than us. Sometimes it is smaller than us. So in the morning you can see, if you walk in the bright sunlight, the shadow will be in front of you, and it is very taller than you, and in the noon the shadow is along with you, and in the afternoon it will be at the back or on the side of you. Understood? So this is the growing process of the shadow. So only in the noon time, when the sun is high above our eyes, the shadow is along with the us. Understood? So these changes will happen over here. These changes will, sometimes it shoots up like an Indian rubber ball. Sometimes it is a small or not. Understood? So the funniest thing about the shadow is growing. Its growing is not like a proper children. Proper children growth is very slow, but the growth of shadow is faster. How it is? The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. So children grows very slowly. slowly from the baby, then going up, then little 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, like that it takes a time. Slowly the growth is, process is going. But whose growth is faster? The shadow is faster. That means even though if it is a baby, sometimes it shoots up like an Indian rubber ball. Sometimes it goes bigger, sometimes it comes smaller. Understood? So whoever is the size, whatever the size of the person is there, who is not going according to that, shadow is not going according to that. But it shows every action, all the action of the person who is doing, all the action of the person who is doing. എല്ലാ ആക്ഷനും ആൾ ചെയ്യുന്നത് പോലെ ചെയ്യും. ബട്ട് ഇൻ ദ പ്രോസസ് ഓഫ് ഗ്രോത്ത് വളരെ ചില നേരത്ത് ഷാഡോസ് വിൽ ബി ബിഗർ, അത് വലുതാകും, ചിലത് സ്മോൾ, ചില നേരത്ത് സ്മോൾ ആയിരിക്കും. മനസ്സിലായോ? One morning, very early before the sun, I was up. I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepyhead, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. Now, one morning what happened? The poet got up early before the sun was coming. So, before the sun coming, how it is very dark, isn't it? It is very dark, no light is there. So one thing is that we cannot see our shadow when it is dark. When it is dark, we cannot see our shadow. We need what? Light. Yes, only in the presence of light we can see our shadow. Only in the presence of light we can see our shadow. So before the sun is up, how it is? Very dark. So will the shadow come? The shadow will not come. Understood? Only if the sun is rising and that the brightness comes, who also comes? Our shadow also comes. So one morning, who got up early? The poet got up early and he went out. He saw all the dewdrops. Dewdrops means മഞ്ഞുത്തുള്ളി in the flowers and the leaves. But who was not there? His shadow was not there. Understood? And he thought, errant means bad. Sleepyhead means carelessly. Understood? Without giving any attention. What he is doing? He thought his shadow is sleeping in the bed. Why? Because who did not come? Light did not come. So when there is no light, sometimes if we are sitting in a room and suddenly the light goes, can we see our shadow over there? No, we are not able to see our shadow. Iruttu muriyile shadow we are not able to see. But all of a sudden if the light comes, what we can see? Our shadow also there. Understood? But light uണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ what we can see shadow. Otherwise we are not able to see the shadow. You experience at home, put off all the light and you see whether you can see your shadow. No, you will not be able to see your shadow. Then you put your light and you see your shadow is there or not. Yes, you can see your shadow there. You can show your fingers and that images can be seen on the wall, like a dog, birds flying and all that images if you make in the presence of light we can see on the wall. Understood? So the shadow can be seen only in the presence of light, and if it is dark we are not able to see the shadow. That is why one morning when he went out, he saw the leaves, the water drops in every leaves and flowers, but who was not there? Shadow was not there. What did he say? Carelessly he is sleeping in his bed. So he will be in the bed only, isn't it? When you jump, who is also jumping along with you? Your shadow also jumping along with you in the bed, isn't it? So shadow is sleeping over there and he got up. Why? Because there was no light. Understood? I'll read. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an Indian rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. So sometimes shooting up like an Indian rubber, bouncing like an Indian rubber ball, and sometimes very small. One morning, very early before the sun, I was up. I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy, so the poet is saying, his shadow is lazy. Lazy means idle. That means not interested to do any kind of work, isn't it? Lazy people. We will say no, those children who are not interested, not doing their homework, they are lazy, isn't it? They are not interested, they are not doing any work, sitting idly. They are lazy people. We should be very active in doing each and everything. I stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. So he is saying, who is sleeping? The shadow is sleeping. And because he had gone out in the morning, but who did not go along with him? The shadow did not go along with him. Understood the poem now? I will read once more. The poet is Robert Louis Stevenson. Poet is Robert Louis Stevenson. Robert Louis Stevenson. Understood? So he is saying about his own shadow. That means our shadow is always with us. Only when we go for sleeping or when we go for working, who is along with us? Our shadow is also along with us. And nobody is there. Understood? And my shadow is along with me and your shadow is along with you. We cannot exchange our shadows. Understood? We cannot exchange our shadows. It is always with me and it is always with you. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoot up taller like an Indian rubber ball, for he sometimes gets so little that there is none of that at all. Very early before the sun, I was up. I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleeping head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. So now the question answers will be sent to you. Understood now? You should write in your notebook.